Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can activate your physical Revolut card. Please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So, of course, before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you're on your Revolut, you will have to make sure that it is actually available in your country so that you will be able to proceed. Once you open your Revolut app or account or app website, you will just have to log into your account with your credentials and then you will see the card section. What you will have to do is tap it and then select new card and then you will have to tap activate card. Enter CVV code from the card. And then, after all that, card is now active and ready for use. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.